Greensboro Tower, Cherokee 9611 Juliet's holding short of 24 left. Mike, ready to take off.
Cherokee 9611 Juliet, Greensboro Tower, turn left on course, runway 23 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 23 left, left on course, 11 Juliet. Huh? I said 24? Oh, well, they knew what I meant. They said 22 when I was coming in, it sounded like.
Door's locked.
Yeah, everybody's buckled.
We are. Yes, we are.
We'll climb up to 2,500-ish. Get on out of here. In the middle of this thing. Alright, full forward. Here's speed.
Hey, Greensboro Tower, Able 1 holding 022 left at Kilo 6, ready for departure.
Get on up on that airspeed, there we go.
Able 1, Greensboro Tower, turn left on course, runway 23 left, clear for takeoff.
Alright, turn left on course, clear for takeoff, 23 left, Able 1.
There we go. Catch a little bit of wind. Turn on out. The runway's so long that we can take off and turn left and line from the center of the runway.
Cherokee 11 Juliet, contact departure subflight.
Over to departure 1 Juliet, see ya.
No longer a factor. Third down 73, Captain.
Departure Cherokee 9611 Juliet.
9611 Juliet, Greensboro departure, radar contact, VFR climbs approved.
11 Juliet.
November 7 Juliet, Lima, use caution, numerous targets around the belly to the airport, radar service terminated, for exchange approved. Have a good day.
7070 Lima, we get to the airport. Have a good day. Greensboro approach, hello, Baron 639 Alpha Romeo 9515 south of Greensboro with Juliet, request full stop going to signature.
Baron 639 Alpha Romeo, Greensboro approach, squawk 0126, and ident, Greensboro altimeter 3017.
0126, ident 3017.
Tower 65, Sierra Quebec, Roger. Clear direct Woodsog to maintain 3000.
Greensboro departure, Able 1 is with you, 2000, climbing 3000, on course.
November 855, Foxtrot Charlie, Greensboro departure, radar contact, climb maintain 12000, turn left heading 230. Able 1, Greensboro departure, radar contact, VFR climbs approved, let me know when you're on station.
VFR climb approved, we'll let you know when we're on station, Able 1.
Selection at 373, clear direct branch, set to maintain 6000.
Greensboro approach 751 Lima Bravo.
And Greensboro 7321 Golf with you at 6000, and we have information Juliet.
November 7321 Golf, Greensboro approach, Greensboro altimeter 3017, stay parking.
3017 for the altimeter, and we're going to the MRO for 7321 Golf.
Number 2 on Golf, runway 23 right.
23 right, and can we get the localizer for 23 right?
The 2 on Golf, negative. For 9 Alpha Romeo, radar contact, 15 miles to southeast of Greensboro, maintain VFR at or above 6,500, runway 23 left.
Roger, at about 6,500, 23 left, Romeo.
4 Mike Bravo, contact Charlotte approach 128.32. You have a good day.
2832, have a good weekend. Happy Easter, 264 Mike Bravo.
You too. 11 Juliet, I don't know if I said, but VFR climb is approved.
Copy that, 1 Juliet.
November 88 Whiskey Foxtrot, Greensboro approach squawk 5260 and ident, Greensboro altimeter 3017.
Tell me to climb. So there's some huge towers up here.
Cable 1, do you have that traffic 11 o'clock, about 1 mile in sight, same direction?
Yes, sir, we got him in sight. We're maintaining visual separation, A1.
Thank you. Bird Dog 73, contact the Atlanta Center 125.15. You have a great day.
You as well, 2515, Bird Dog 73, good day.
November 5 Foxtrot Charlie, clear direct bolt. November 5 Sierra Quebec, clear visual approach runway 33, contact tower 2375. Have a good day. November 9 Alpha Romeo, turn right heading 050.
050, 9 Alpha Romeo.
November 9 Alpha Romeo, maintain VFR at or above 4,500.
4,500, 9 Alpha Romeo.
November 73 Alpha, turn right heading 350.
Right, 350. That's Bravo.
Grade 8 Whiskey Foxtrot, squawk 5260. Clear track 551, turn 15 degrees left.
15 to the left, clear track 551.
FlexJet 373, descend and maintain 6,000. Radio Whiskey Foxtrot, radar contact 10 miles southwest of the Marsville Airport. Clear to the Concord Airport via direct Ponte. Join the NASCAR 1 arrival. Radio Whiskey Foxtrot, take a red set, maintain 6,000. November 5 Foxtrot Charlie, contact Atlanta Center 128.8. You have a great day. FlexJet 373, maintain 3,000. Greensboro is 1 o'clock, 10 miles. FlexJet 373, clear visual approach, runway 23 left, tower 19.1. You have a great day. November 8 Whiskey Foxtrot, travel 1 o'clock, 5 miles northeastbound, indicates 4,500. November 9 Alpha Romeo, you can delete your altitude restrictions, continue on your present heading. I'll have a base turn for you as soon as I can.
Roger, same direction, you call the base, 9 Alpha Romeo.
Trying to get some climbing power.
Trying to get what?
Some climbing power.
Once you get that traffic in sight, clear direct Ponte.
We just have a headwind or something?
No, we just ain't the fastest climbers.
November 159 Delta Romeo, Greensboro approach, Greensboro altimeter 3017. No practice approaches today. Expected visual runway 33. Foxtrot Charlie, contact Atlanta Center 128.8. Piedmont 6002, Greensboro approach, Greensboro altimeter 3017, runway 23 left, turn 10 degrees left on the localizer.